Ladies and gentlemen, gather round, for I have a tale to tell. A tale of heroics, of ingenuity, and most importantly, of bedroom storage. Picture the scene. You've got a bedroom the size of a shoebox and your worldly possessions are threatening to stage a coup. It's like living inside an overstuffed suitcase and you're in desperate need of a storage miracle. Fear not, dear friends, for we have uncovered 10 DIY space-saving wonders that'll transform even the tiniest of bedrooms into a sanctuary of orderliness. And who is the savior of this tale? IKEA, the magical land of budget-friendly, flat-packed wonders. But we're not just talking about slapping together a bookshelf and calling it a day. Oh no, these are the kinds of hacks that would make MacGyver proud. From underbed storage solutions that would make Marie Kondo weep tears of joy to cleverly repurposed furniture that doubles as both storage and art, these IKEA hacks will have you shouting Eureka from the rooftops. Brought to you by SimpHome. We've scoured the depths of IKEA's offerings to bring you the best of the best, the creme de la creme of space-saving bedroom hacks. So buckle up and prepare to embark on a thrilling adventure of DIY ingenuity as we unveil 10 DIY space-saving wonders using IKEA for a brightly organized bedroom. And remember, with a little humor, creativity, and some IKEA magic, anything is possible. The DIY IKEA Best a Hack Idea for the Children's DIY by ADC and Le Bon Coin. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever stared into the abyss of a cluttered bedroom and wondered, can IKEA save me? Fear not, for ADC and Le Bon Coin's collaboration is here to rescue you from disorganization doom. That's right, folks, it's time to unleash the power of IKEA and transform your bedroom into an organizational paradise. Now let's dive into a DIY project that'll have you laughing at the absurdity of your previous storage woes. With an IKEA Besta structure, furniture legs, a wooden board, hardwood, brackets, screws, a hinge system, paint, and a leather link, you'll be on your way to creating a charming piece of furniture in just 40 minutes and 12 euros. Step 1. Craft the graphic hardboard effect. Either drill a grid pattern or glue pre-cut hardboard onto wooden planks. Number 2. Sand and paint the planks, making sure not to clog those artistic holes. Step 3. Attach brackets and screw in the furniture legs. IKEA's got your back with pre-existing holes. Step 4. Create handles with leather ties and drill holes if needed. Step 5. Attach hinges, and voila, your masterpiece is complete. So folks, with ADC and Le Bon Coin's guidance, you can conquer the chaos and turn your small bedroom into a beacon of organization. Armed with IKEA hacks and a dash of humor, you'll be laughing all the way to the land of sweet, clutter-free dreams. The DIY IKEA Bed Hack That Doubles Storage Space by Sarah Toman. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Sarah Toman, a mom who turned her small bedroom storage crisis into a brilliant IKEA hack success story. Prepare to be amazed. Facing a cramped box room with nowhere to store her stuff, Sarah unleashed her inner DIY guru. She used IKEA Kallax shelving units to build a bed with a twist, forming a U-shape and adding bed slats. She created a storage haven beneath her bed without sacrificing a single inch of floor space. Sharing her creation on the DIY on a budget Facebook page, Sarah's innovative bed hack captivated the internet with over 2,200 likes and 740 comments flooded in from people in awe of her storage solution. Some people wait to replicate it, while others pondered alternative uses like the ultimate hide-and-seek spot. So, friends, remember Sarah Toman's inspiring tale next time you're faced with a small bedroom storage dilemma. With a little ingenuity, a sprinkle of humor, and a touch of IKEA magic, even the tiniest spaces can be transformed into organized havens. Who knows, you might just become the next viral sensation. The IKEA Ekit Cabinet Module Project Idea. Welcome to the IKEA Eckert Cabinet Module Project, a journey into the realm of affordable DIY small bedroom organization. Join us as we embark on a step-by-step adventure to transform an Eckert module into a practical yet stylish storage solution. First, grab an Eckert Cabinet Module 35 by 25 by 35 for just €10. With countless modules to choose from, IKEA is a treasure trove for the organizationally challenged, but beware, these modules have their quirks, like the Eckert's unique hook system that may cause some wobbling. Avoid breaking the bank on pricey drawer systems by opting for a homemade solution. Create grooves in the drawer's sides for smooth sliding. With just a few millimeters of wiggle room, your drawers will glide like a dream without any fancy rails. Achieving the perfect fit between drawer and slot may require some finessing. Thanks to IKEA's modules not always being millimeter perfect, adjust each drawer to its slot or leave some extra margin for a quicker fix. For a low-cost and customizable finish, use glue to attach handles of your choice to the drawer fronts, opt for a simple design, or let your creativity run wild. The choice is yours. The IKEA PAX Closet Hack with Backboard Idea. Welcome to today's IKEA adventure. Join us as we tackle the quirky challenges of small bedroom organization with a touch of humor and a dash of ingenuity using the IKEA PAX Closet system. Picture this, an oddly shaped closet with a deep left side that refuses to conform to standard IKEA PAX dimensions. But fear not, because we're about to hack our way to a custom-built look. Number 1, assemble your IKEA PAX cabinets, but ditch the cheap backboards. Let your wall shine through. Number 2, frame the smaller cabinet with 2x4 blocks, creating a solid base for trim. Number 3, add trim to the top, sides, and crown, giving it a built-in appearance. Don't forget the caulk for that professional touch. Number 4, install a white MDF shelf and hanging rods for extra storage. 5, get fancy with matching crown molding, even if it means ruining a few boards while mastering those miter bits. 6, bring in an electrician to add lighting, because who doesn't love a well-lit closet? 7, cut custom drawer fronts from maple plywood, attach them to the drawers, and add handles for the final touch. Behold, a beautifully organized IKEA PAX closet system with a custom-built appearance, complete with hanging rods and drawers that breathe new life into your once dim space. With a little creativity, some borrowed tools, and a touch of determination, you too can transform your awkward closet space into a stunning, organized haven using the IKEA PAX system. Embrace the power of the IKEA hack and conquer your bedroom organization woes. The IKEA Hack Seating Bench Idea to complete your window gazing. Ladies and gentlemen, we present the ultimate IKEA hack, the window gazing seating bench. Say goodbye to carpenters and hello to a project you can be proud of. This bench is so versatile that it can go anywhere in your home, leaving you wonder, how did I ever live without it? As you measure the area for your seating bench, do you feel a pang of doubt? Fear not. This project is foolproof. It's like an IKEA rite of passage. If you can assemble a piece of IKEA furniture, you can hack this bench, and trust us, your friends will be in awe. Now you're off to find the perfect Kallax shelf, but you don't have time to scour the internet or trek to IKEA? Hey, no worries. Amazon's got your back with the Better Homes and Garden bookcase. That's right, we're hacking an IKEA hack. Choosing the material for your bench cushion is like selecting your favorite ice cream flavor. Vinyl for the messy ones, pattern fabric for the bold ones, and upholstery-grade material for the sophisticated ones. So many choices, so little time. Who knew camping foam sleeping pads were the secret to a plush and comfy bed? It's like stumbling upon a hidden treasure. Just imagine telling this story at your next dinner party as your guests sit in amazement on your new bench. Armed with your MDF board and measurements, you march into the Home Depot like a conqueror. But fear not, no power tools are required here. Just take advantage of the free cuts and you're golden. In just 5 simple steps, you'll transform a humble IKEA shelf into a stunning seating bench. You'll be gluing, mastering, cutting, wrapping, and stapling your way to a fantastic piece of furniture. And the best part? No sewing is required. So that's it for now, folks. In the next chapter, we'll come back with more than one multi-purpose IKEA storage bed hack and 3 other surprises relevant to our discussion. Stay tuned. Well, that's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching this video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Like the video if you believe it'll motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly, though, it is more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project, and we'll see you again soon.